Hi everyone, in today's video we will be checking out the Vansuny Portable SSD. It is a portable SSD with 1TB storage in the size of a thumb drive for portable storage. Packaging looks good. Let me check out what is inside the box. Inside the box, I can find one Vansuny Portable SSD packed nicely in the product packing. Behind the box, I can find key details of the product specification. It has 1TB storage capacity, compatible with different devices as stated like Windows, Mac, Linux and Android. Cool. I can use it for many of my device for external storage. On first impression, the Vansuny Portable SSD looks good in design. It has a metallic body design and it also has USB-C on it so that it can be compatible for on-the-go storage needs like when I have my Android USB-C phone with me. I can plug it in and my phone will detect that an SSD USB-C is plugged into it and offer me additional storage which is 1TB. I also can use it for my normal computer USB connection needs. My computer detects the SSD and I can drag and drop my files into it to store it externally on the 1TB SSD. It transfers really fast too. I just drag and drop and the speed for transfer is good and quick. I love the fact it works with two different port options, USB-C and normal USB, good for compatibility. It is also easily portable based on my experience. It fits into my pocket really well and does not occupy much storage space and isn't bulky. Even placing on my backpack pockets is with ease. Doesn't feel heavy or bulky like traditional hard disks which can be bigger. Overall, I find the Vansuny 1TB SSD a good option for users looking for a SSD with big storage capability, decent file transfer speed and good compatibility with different devices as it has USB-C and normal USB port. If you want to find out more about this portable SSD, check it out with the link in description. Thank you for watching.